Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we're looking at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar with some bearish eyes. So let's write here on the screen, fairbinaryoptions.com. Some bearish eyes because we have a contracting triangle that broke lower. Yes, again, still a contracting triangle, still a triangle that acts as a continuation pattern. And this triangle is basically poised for showing us a continuation move. This triangle is this one here. It started basically from here to go A, B, C, D, E, and the B2D trend line should be this one here. It has been broken and retested, all right, broken and retested right with the Canadian Canadian jobs that were released on Friday. And what kind of a release we had for the Canadian jobs, by the way, as they were coming at something like 70,000 on an estimation of 20,000, which is quite impressive. So what to look for next? Now, I would say that this triangle here that goes A, B, C, D, E, take a look here. It has broken the B2D trend line. It is the 4-hour chart, so it matters. It went to the downside here, something like around 0.97, coming back again to 97.60, so broken the B2D trend line, retested, and then flying lower. Normally this comes after the move from this high, and I would say it is nothing from this high. So this would be a 5-way structure. So this to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-way structure in here. Then this should be labeled as the first wave. Like this. How about the second wave? Well, the second wave, I would say, is only done at the end of this contracting triangle, and the whole pattern here to be called the double three running, and the whole pattern here is actually the one that goes from here to here, and this is being called again a double three running. What is a double three running? Double three running implies that every time you have a correction and you see the word or you hear the word running, that correction is basically extremely powerful, and is being followed by an impulsive move that should go more than 161.8 when compared with the first wave. So actually we should take 161.8 out of this move here, and that would be the target that the market should do after the second wave. So 161.8 would be something like this, projected by the moment the triangle ended, and there you go. We have something like 95, 94.50 for the Australian dollar Canadian. So what to do when you have such a projection to the downside, but you trade by the binary option? I'm telling you what, put options on the pair. Of course, not with short-term expiration date, but with end of week and even end of month if you want. Why not? We are in the 12th of October, so end of month will be a very nice expiration as well. I mean, for a binary options industry that pays you something like 70% or 80% for a for taking a trade, then end of month is quite nice. I mean, you stay what, 18 days, so around 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks for 70% rate of return. That is extremely good in my book. Now, looking to buy put options with end of week or end of month, depending on your aggressivity or on your risk notion and so on, at the opening on Monday. So when markets are opening on Monday, this is what we are looking to trade. Of course, a third wave impulsive move to the downside. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we just look at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar with some extremely bearish eyes. Bye bye.